Hey my YouTube friends, hope you're having a great day. Welcome to Sid's Tips. In today's video we are going to talk about this really nice Feiyutech gimbal for the GoPro. Works with the 5, 6, 7, and 8. The company did send this to me to use to put it through a test. I'll share with you some video, actually a lot to show you about the app, my experience, all that good stuff. I'll put a link in the description as well so you could see what other people have to say about it. Not only take my word, but see what other people have to say about it. And if it makes sense for you, you can order it. Also appreciate you liking this video if you find this of a help, and also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos that I put out. All right, so I've got a lot to share with you. I'm going to timestamp the video, so if you're looking for something specific, hopefully that will help, being that this will be a bit longer of a video. And we're going to go outside, show you some of that footage as well. So first of all, as far as the company, I'm really impressed with the company. For me, it's great when you can email them, they email you back in a timely fashion about any questions you have. So really pleased with the company. Let me share with you what it comes with. Obviously, nice box there. You've got a nice quick start guide, a lot of good, helpful information there. And there's probably more than I might show you in this video today, but I'm going to show you a good overall viewing of how to use it and a lot of the basics that you probably will use. Obviously, you need your GoPro. I've got the 7 Black, been really happy with that. So you got this really nice case that you can keep it in. It has a pocket in here where you could just, you can store the gimbal like that. And then it also comes with the stand, so I'll show you that in a minute. And then it also has, a strap, a wrist strap, and then the micro USB connection, and that USB connection is right there on the side. By the way, this does get up to 10 hours of battery life, so that's a good thing. I have not run out of battery life as of quite yet, and everything's really laid out well. It's a good feeling gimbal. Some people might feel like this is too thick. I feel it's actually a good size for the hand, and everything is just easy to access. You've got your side to go side to side. You've got here another action button, and we'll talk about it, highlight all that. So first things first. All right, we're going to go ahead, and by the way, let's actually go ahead and put the stand on. So the stand has rubberized feet to it. It's got a 1/4 inch thread. You can, which connects there to the bottom of the gimbal, and then you can also connect it to a tripod as well. All right, so what's nice, a couple of things. One, you can have this sit safely on any surface, and also what's nice as well, you can use this as an extension to the gimbal. In addition, you can extend the gimbal out, so you can really have a nice amount of space if you want to use. All right, so first thing is this is in a lock position. So what you want to do is you're going to want to put your GoPro on. You're going to unlock here, and then you're going to unlock here. So this locks and this locks. Unlocking, unlocking. Now you're going to open the door lever. You can see open. You're going to lift that up. And then you are going to slide your GoPro right in there, just like that. And now this just snaps like that. Now it's ready to go and to turn on. Now, keep in mind the side door, where if you were thinking of can use an external mic, you won't be able to use an external mic with this, but I was doing some testing where I was able to walk outside and hear myself. The microphone actually on this one picks up well. There are some other wireless mics out there. I'll put one that I use. It's very small. See if I could find that on there in here, which I actually do have. And this little mic you can use as a external mic, and then you would actually have to stitch your audio together. But I'll put a link to that there. But all right, so now that you have this connected, what we need to do is we're going to power on the GoPro. So we'll go ahead and power on the GoPro. All right, the GoPro's on. Now I'm going to go ahead and power on. And the way you power on is this middle button. Press and hold that in. There you go. And it says that blue connection. You could see everything is on there. And now we are good to go. So you can go side to side, forward, backwards, and then we'll show you some of the other features. Now, let me go ahead and put this down. And what we're going to do, we are going to connect it to the app. Now, I had a little bit of an issue when I first was setting it up with the app. So you can, by the way, take advantage of, controlling it side to side, panning, zooming, all that stuff, or, going side to side, up and down. You could tilt it. What you can't do is record it and then change to the different modes. You've got to actually have the app connected to the GoPro. All right, so what you want to do is you want to first download this app, which is the FeiyuOn. And once you go in there, so as you'll see here, it's going to say Discover Device. So there you go, it's connected. Now, one of the other things that you're going to want to do with the GoPro is you are going to want to go into your settings, your preferences, and then you'll see the first option, it says connections, and you want to make sure the wireless connection is on. So you're going to press that on, and you need that. Now, the other thing you want to make sure, there's a section called Wi-Fi band. If you have it, you want to make sure it's on the 2.4 gigahertz. It won't work with the other gigahertz. You want to make sure it's 2.4. So once you have it on, now, as you can see, it automatically detected my GoPro. I had a problem with this for some reason. So you want to make sure your Bluetooth's on. Now, if I were to click on the GoPro Black and you're trying to connect, that's where you're going to go there. You're going to click GoPro. You're going to pick your model, Black, and then it's going to go ahead and find it. And then you pick the camera, and then you're good to go there. I can, by the way, control with the app. As you can see here, I can turn, I can go down, I can go up, but you're not going to probably really use the app other than just, now it's connected. The bottom button is the record button and for photos. So if I press the button once, it is now recording. If I press and stop again, it stops. It will stop the recording. If I press and hold the record button down for a few extra seconds, then that will change it to the different modes. And now I'm in photo mode, and if I want to take a photo, I just press the bottom button, and now it just took a picture. So you can change that. Now, if you want to go into selfie mode, if you just double press, or actually 3 times the trigger, you can see there it is now doing the selfie mode. If I double click, it goes back to facing forward. Again, you can go side to side, you can go down, you can go up, and these are a few things. Now, what I wanted to share with you are some of the other things that you can do. So as you can see, actually you can go up and down, and then with the handle, you could turn right, you could turn left, and then you're good to go. Now, if you want to turn the feature off where it doesn't turn right or turn left, you just press the middle button, and now you could see it doesn't turn right or left. So if you press that again, you can go right, you can go left. So those are the features when you do turn it on. All right, as you can see in the next one, click function button to lock the mode, which I just shared with you about going left to right. If you double press the function button, you enter the panning and tilt mode. Lens follows the pan and tilt axis. You can shoot up and down, left and right. So if I double press the function button, you could see how that goes to the mode. So you can go left and right, and then down, up, and then you're good to go. Now, if you want to go back to the beginning, if you double press, now it's set back to the regular mode where you could tilt up and down and go right to left. Now, triple function mode enters all following mode. Lens follows axis in 360 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and press that, and you can see now it's following 360 degrees. There you go. If you double press the trigger, it resets the gimbal, and there we go, now it's reset. Then the last one is long press trigger button, which enters real-time panning and following mode. So I am now holding the trigger button, and there you go. Again, long press trigger button, enter real-time panning and follow mode, release to go back to that mode, the previous mode. Now, one of the things you might also find that you're going to want to do is using the gimbal and the GoPro is for shooting videos like you're going to put them on Instagram. So you're going to want them in the vertical mode. So all you need to do is turn the gimbal sideways like that, and then you adjust. And so you just need to know that you're going to be holding the gimbal on an angle like this. And so it's kind of awkward, but that's what you need to do. Again, then you can put it back into in the regular mode. Again, you just flip the gimbal to the side, adjust direction you want it to go in, and then you are good to go. So as you can see, there are a lot of different features that you can use with this. Again, I like the fact that it comes with a great stand. You can extend the arm, and you could take some nice stable videos. So what I'm going to share with you now are some different videos for you to see while I was outside, and let me know what you think. Again, enjoy the rest of the video. Be sure to click on the link in the video where you could learn more about it. It's a great price. I like it, and even though the GoPro has good stability now, you know, it makes it nice when you can hold this in your hand and even have more stability and improve the quality of your videos. Thanks to the company sending this to me. Thanks so much. Enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, now we're going to do a test, side to side, back, front, side, side. Now I'll do it the other way. Side to side, down, up,